Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw Bitcoin from MetaMask to Kraken in 2025. If you're holding Bitcoin in a wallet that integrates with MetaMask or using a bridged version like Wrapped Bitcoin, WBTC, this guide will help you move your funds securely to Kraken, one of the top crypto exchanges. Why do this? It's all about liquidity and managing your assets across platforms for better trading opportunities. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the prerequisites sorted. You'll need a MetaMask wallet installed on your browser or mobile app, with your Bitcoin, or WBTC, ready to transfer. Don't forget a verified Kraken account and their wallet address handy. Also, double-check that you have some ETH for gas fees if you're dealing with Ethereum-based assets. Step 1. Open your MetaMask wallet and ensure you're on the correct network, like Ethereum mainnet, since Bitcoin isn't native to MetaMask. If you have WBTC, select it from your assets. Step 2. In Kraken, go to your wallet section and generate a deposit address for Bitcoin. Copy this address carefully. Mistakes here can lead to lost funds. Step 3. Back in MetaMask, hit the Send button for your WBTC or bridged Bitcoin. Paste the Kraken address into the recipient field, enter the amount you want to withdraw, and review the transaction details, including fees. Step 4. Confirm the transaction. You'll see a confirmation on the blockchain. Wait for it to process, which might take a few minutes to an hour depending on network congestion. A few pro tips. Always use hardware wallets for high-value transfers, enable two-factor authentication on Kraken, and never share your private keys. Remember, crypto is volatile, so time your moves wisely. There you have it. That's how you withdraw Bitcoin from MetaMask to Kraken in 2025. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more guides. Drop your questions in the comments below. Stay safe and crypto savvy.